Great job, Harley. What are you doing? How'd you learn how to do that, Harley?
My sister. Yeah.
By what?
By using the special skill.
By using a special skill? Would that be watching Mommy do it? Is it done?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see. Great job, Harley. Are you proud of yourself?
Mm-hmm.
Look at me. Are you proud?
Uh-huh.
What did you just do?
Put on a diaper for him.
For who? Tyler?
No, that.
That one?
Yeah.
You want to dress him now, too?
Yep.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.